We've all had it. That sinking feeling you get when something needs to be sorted. Of course, there are some things you should try to do yourself, like unblocking a sink or decorating your home, which sometimes just needs a friend or family member to give a helping hand. Well, hopefully. But there are some things that you need help with. Either way, it's your home to look after, and you should deal with any problems before they go bad. But if it does get complicated, Affinity Sutton are there to support you. Just make sure you're in to let us do it. At the end of the day, it's a two-way street.